Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify playlist on your Facebook story. So let's start. First, open the Spotify app. When the app opens, you have to go to your library to see your playlist. Now tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see all of your playlist. Now tap on the playlist you want to share on your Facebook story. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and tap on Share. Now select Facebook Stories. Now you're ready to share. You can add stickers if you want to. You can add any sticker you like. You can also add a text, draw lines, add effects, tag people, and animate. And if you want to save this to your phone, then tap on Save on bottom left corner. And when you are done, tap on Share to Story to share on your Facebook story. And that's how you can share your Spotify playlist on your Facebook story. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.